Hey everybody, Marion the Barbarian here, and as you saw from the mail call, we've got some A&E products to go through. So today we're using the Santorini shaving cream, and this is a great scent. This is actually super creamy. It looks like the same base he's always done for his cream, but like it's just way softer even after keeping it in the cooler. Like I put it in my cooler that I have for work with ice and everything in it, and it still stayed pretty soft, which means that's a little different than some of the other creams I've gotten from Peter. As you can see, it's a lot stuck to the top. That does happen. Taylor Bond Street, GOF Trumpers, that's a common thing. All right, guys. So I'm gonna throw up the base ingredients since we were just talking about it. And this is, you know, I think right now, even on the A&E website, not the Shaving Shop Club, this is $12.95 for a tub. You get, what is this, 4 ounces? I'm gonna look real quick for a load it. This is 5.3, so we'll go with that. It's not even in the brush yet. Anyways, so we're gonna take the top, and I'm just gonna load from the top. It's probably way more than I need. And just don't want to waste anything, so we're gonna load from the top of the tub. What else, right guys? And you can still see, gosh, it's hard to get in the camera. Still a good amount on top. We're gonna leave it that way. Why not? See if we can go ahead and, ooh, way too much. What do you think, guys? Way too much. I'm using the ritual shaving. Girlfriend hasn't turned it into an armpit brush yet, so, you know, oof. Way too much cream, guys. This is gonna be some lathering, so I'm gonna be quiet. Ooh, scent. While I'm working on this, we will talk about some scent. Wow. Sorry, we'll put up the scent notes if I didn't do that yet. Look how, that was way too much, guys. Put way too much in this brush. Nice, like, aquatic, ozonic, citrusy, kind of an Italian scent. Fresh, clean, really nice. I asked the girlfriend, I brought the Daniel Malul. God, this is really thick, guys. I put way too much cream in here. You do not need to load your brush that much. But what is it, the latte mente or whatever it is? I had her tell me which one she would want to smell tonight, and she said the other one I think is just too light, and she was getting a lot of the alcohol off the splash. And this one, she just said she liked the scent more. So this is the one we're going with. Scent strength, definitely above medium. Normally what you expect from A&E. Look at it perform. I haven't stopped talking to speed up the lathering, so we'll stop talking now. We'll say that's it. Probably not as hydrated as I generally like to go for. That's good enough. I'm not a face lathering guy. It's a nice scent. And you know, Peter, if you do watch this video, because I saw you watch the unboxing, congratulations, because this is more cream-like than the other ones I've gotten from you. And good job. I don't know what else to tell you. Like, I just didn't feel like the others. They were still a croaked and not a cream. We got lather everywhere. But this, actually a cream. Not a fluffy cream like Taylor Bond Street. or GOF trumpers. And these are other tub creams. Wondering if that's ingrown. But it is definitely a cream in my opinion now. Before it was more like an abnormally soft cream. Which is fine. And there are other artisans that make creams, and it's honestly more of an unusually soft crepe. But the consistency was definitely more cream-like this time. And, you know, Peter, if you watch this, you can comment below, like, did you mess with the ratios and that's why it's a little different? Is it still from being warm in the male? But, like I said, it's been in the cooler. So it's still a pretty soft cream. And you saw how just like thick. What was going on the face? It did not. Residual on this, by the way, guys. Amazing. But yeah, this stuff did not want to thin out at all. Now I'm going to have to add water to this again, guys. It's a good soap, man. Like, A&E's always put out good soaps. Hope everybody has a good Father's Day. This will probably come out the day before Father's Day, but happy Father's Day to all you fathers. Oh, very nice. Very nice. It's a great scent. It's a fresh, aquatic, citrusy, just really amazing, guys. I'm impressed. I should have picked this up. I know this has been out for a while. And this really got added to the list because it was so inexpensive, and like if I threw 2 more in the cart, I got a bigger percentage off. And other than London, this is probably my favorite scent, but I had already known what London smelled like. I need to get my matching splash of Vanilla Vendetta. There's a good one, guys. Really nice. It is a pleasure to use A&E. Not shilling, not... Peter and I are acquaintances at best. But yeah. A&E's always got good soaps, creams, vegan base, tallow, high end, low end. Their low end isn't even low end. And we all have different face feels, like the way you want a lather to come together in the bowl, the way you want it to feel on your face once it's fully lathered up, if you want it to feel heavy or fluffy. Everybody has different preferences, but I really enjoy how A&E has like a lot of weight, dense lather on the face. The face feel for me, excellent. All right, know the drill, rinse up, we'll be right back. All right, guys, we are back. Match and splash. Beautiful scent. Beautiful scent. Hey, look how easily that restrictor lets it out, and I didn't have to like throw my shoulder out. Oh. Like, it's the small things in life, guys. Who would have thought that's something that you had to like wait for? I feel like I might have an ingrown here, but nothing is technically bleeding. Just back-to-back day shaves. Not something I've been doing too much. I think I want to get back to every other day, so maybe I'll shave again on Sunday, seeing as how it's Friday. Friday night, guys. Hope everyone's doing well. I know I said it before, but enjoy your weekend. Have a good Father's Day if you're a father. If not, still enjoy your weekend, dude. Everybody needs to enjoy it. Ritual shaving. I like the concrete concept, like the color. Everything about it's great. Scent's amazing, guys. Santorini, didn't even know, haven't even watched videos of anybody else using it. But if CDB was still in the game, he would have already had it. And he would have been like, dude, you got to get this scent. And then I would have gotten the scent. Don't we all miss him? All right, guys, you know the drill. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit that noti bell, and we'll catch you next shave.